Yo, what is up at Unboxing Shoes here, and today we're going to be restoring these dirty ass Air Force Ones. As you can tell, these shoes are goners. These should be in the trash, but we're going to be doing a restoration. Now, literally, you could get these shoes cleaned up, back to normal, looking all good. Look at this. What the? Do you see that? Bro, wait until I show you the bottom. Oh, Lord. Mercy. Oh, no. What is that? I shouldn't even be touching these shoes with my bare hands. But yeah, today we're going to be restoring these shoes. Alright. Hope y'all enjoyed.